Hello. Today we are drawing a bus. B for bus. Let's start. We'll start with a circle. Good. It doesn't have to be perfect. Another one. Very nice. Now let's join these two circles and let's extend these lines back and on front. This is the bottom of your bus. Now let's draw a smaller circle. Same for the other one so that the tires become visible. Now the front part of the bus. Start with a standing line, slight curve. Then take a sleepy line all the way to the end. Here we have it. Then a curve joining back to the back part. Perfect. Now let's draw the windshield. Two sleepy lines, one here, one slightly below, and the standing line. Now we'll make windows, a big rectangle. Start with standing line and two sleepy lines. Join them with a slight slant line. Perfect. Now two more lines. Here we have your three windows. And this is your bus. How do we draw the letter B? Standing line, then one, two. This is the letter B. B is for bus. Great work. See you in the next one.